It's a long story. Well, welcome. Oh, wow. Now let's just watch Dogs. It took me like 10 minutes just to decide what I was going to play. And then I said, you know what? I'm just going to play Watch Dogs because that sounds fun. Don't exactly know what I'm doing. Just keep moving. What? Shoot! Oh jeez! Oh! What's going on? What is going on? Attack! Whee! Oh jeez! Oh gosh! I'm gonna make it! I'm gonna make it! Yeah, I mean, that was too easy. Everybody go! Whoa! Oh man, that was a close one. Whoa! Whoa! What is going on? What is what? You guys getting a little sleepy. Whoa! 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 Let's go do that. Turn around. Can't say I will do it right, but you know, for the shot. Oh, jeez. Something wrong with my controller. He's just, I think he's really tired. It's over here. Dun, 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 dun. Wow. Beep, 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 beep. Where is this? Look at this! Jumped it! Ah! It's like, hey, idiot, go! I'll just make every life easier on people. We gotta get going. Chicago. Gee, my bike is broken. My bike is broken. Oh, oh no, no! Ah! Oh, man, that hurt. Whoops, wrong button. You can't vault over that, are you kidding me? You can't vault over that either, you can't just... Yeah, let's go. Cry. Dang it! Good, this one's so much better than that. Not that. I like the other one. Oh, better! Oh! I tried to save him, but I didn't. Oh, gee, let's put the gun away. Jim Billy will be missed. Praise. Why did he have to go? Why did he abandon me? Well, let's go. Hello, sir. Tornado chaser. No! I was gonna punch him, but I forgot you can't punch in this game. Oh, Jesus, put the gun away. Let's go, run, let's go. the good way. No! I want to go home. I didn't shoot a gun at all. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Where's buying guns? Is there the button to buy guns? Ah, it's you. You, sir. Buy money? Buy money. How do I buy a gun? Oh, I think he's like, oh no, we got a gun! Oh, snap. Oh, I just got hit. Oh, hell, did not go as planned. Shoot, wrong button. Oh, how about we play online? I can do that. Where's my phone? Where's my phone? Online. Hailing. Hacking. Still hacking. Oh, what crap, that's my other profile. Well, never mind. Let's go find a car. Oh, there's a car. Tattle-doo. 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 I didn't steal a car, so shut up. Ah! Ooh. Where's the close one? Okay, where is it? This way. Oh! Okay. No. Okay, there's two ways. This way! Which I think was the best, easiest way. Gotta hurry and take this criminal down so I can. Yeah, here we go. Okay.
Do I look like someone to mess with?
Oh, Jesse, you buddy! Oh, Jesus, I almost died. Should I just shoot him or can I just... Oh, no, slow down! Get back up! Oh. Good for you, I'm gonna take your money. Oh, I got some. See? Ah, gotcha! Where are you gonna go, buddy? I'm gonna climb this fence. Bam, 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 bam. Oh, dude, good for you. Oh, thank you, $800. So worth it. Who is this? Black Kitty. Let's go. Searching. Okay, well, that was fun. I'm gonna end this video here. Okay, if you like this video, click that like button. If you like me, subscribe. And I'll see you all later.